It's time for a tech roundup.
We found some devices that will brighten and enlighten any home.
Today on PowerHouse, we'll look at lighting that's more than just practical.
We dive into apps that put money-saving controls in your hand, as well as thermostat options you can operate at home or away.
And we'll look at some easy-to-install and operate options for security.
That's all coming up next on this tech-focused edition of PowerHouse.
Welcome to a high-tech episode of PowerHouse. And to start, we're shining the spotlight on lighting.
Innovations in lighting have been around for a while. We've talked about upgrading to LED bulbs in the past, but let's take a look at why it's more practical and beautiful than ever before.
The case for LED bulbs, light-emitting diodes, over traditional incandescent bulbs has never been stronger. Improvements in LED's lifespan, a wide variety of color and brightness options, as well as the addition of smart bulb technology provide homeowners with the value and flexibility they want, while saving energy dollars as well.
According to energy.gov, lighting in an average home can account for approximately 15% of its overall electricity use. Replacing incandescent bulbs with comparable LEDs results in the same amount of light and has an average savings of about $225 per year. Choosing Energy Star rated bulbs, using dimmers, and employing timers, especially on outdoor lights that might be on for long periods of time, can stretch that savings even further.
The variety of LED bulbs available today means they not only meet your practical needs, but they can reinforce your decor, your mood, and your lifestyle as well. Options like under-cabinet light strips, Edison-style bulbs with a filament-like appearance, and candelabra bulbs are just a few of the styles available to make spaces throughout your home brighter. Another category of lighting design is entertainment enhancers. These specialty light bars and accent fixtures can backlight TVs or game systems, making watching movies, playing video games, and listening to music a more immersive experience. It's a visual way to create energy and mood in your home for relaxing or entertaining.
Smart LED bulbs and fixtures contain software that connects to an app, smart home assistant, or other smart accessory. Smart bulbs can be controlled one at a time, but they're most effective in creating mood, ambiance, and efficiency when they're integrated as a system. That way you can automate timing, brightness, and other features or control them remotely, largely eliminating the need for traditional wall switches or hardwired dimmers.
Operating smart bulbs through an integrated system makes them easily dimmable, and in most cases, easy to adjust from warm to cool tones or across a wide spectrum of color. It connects them with other integrated devices, creating an entire smart home. And it opens up a whole world of automation and lighting that follows your lifestyle, protects your home, and creates additional energy efficiency.
One example of a flexible LED lighting system is the Hue Smart Lighting System. The Hue system has options for starting small. Using the Hue Bluetooth app lets you control up to 10 smart lights in one room. It's a great way to familiarize yourself with the options and controls to make sure the system suits your home and tastes. Adding on the Hue Bridge allows you to activate a built-in network and opens up the path to a more advanced way to control your lights. The bridge can integrate up to 50 lights throughout your home, unlocking additional smart lighting features like automation with schedules, syncing with gaming, music, and movies, and allowing away-from-home control. There are a number of other bulb products and fixture types that work with the system, as well as being compatible with other manufacturers' products labeled Friends of Hue.
Lighting that helps you relax or entertain, or makes your projects or hobbies easier, or it just makes you feel good because it's beautiful, is a benefit to any home. The variety of options and the flexibility that smart bulbs provide is unparalleled in standard lighting. Imagine having just the right amount of light in just the right color temperature at just the right time for any task. How much would you enjoy being able to adjust lighting from your seat as you sit down to watch a movie? or set timers to allow lights to gently set the mood for waking or sleeping. Lighting technology can make your life easier and more colorful, and make it more comfortable to enjoy your home. You cannot leave that alone, can you?
I do like this lighting app, Megan, and with the lights back there, I was thinking we could move it to green as we get started. And then, as we finish the show, I'm sure our viewers are going to be sad that we're coming to an end, right?
Yeah, right. Or we could move it to red for stop.
Okay, I get what you're saying, but it's lighting for any occasion, and I like it.
I really do too. And for more ideas to make your home more cozy, more inviting, visit PowerHouseTV.com. All right, show me purple.
You bet.